Mommy, I really like it over here.
Double flipper. Which I usually don't. One of the both sides.
I can make that. How big do you want it to be? Okay, that's from everywhere. Like there.
We only adopt dogs that are like at least a year old.
Yeah, you missed a brightish thunder.
Here's what's going on with the tornado warned area. Again, this is just to the west of the Tulsa metro area, and so the circulation feature right here, Val's underneath it. Alan's getting a pretty good look at it from the west, and so this is the couplet right here, as we were just mentioning a few moments ago. West 231st Street, just on the north side of Depew, got to be in cover because it's not really a good place to be.
How far are we away from get
Here, about
Yeah.
4 miles.
But update, what do you have there?
Yes, Travis, what you can see, we are, what'd you say, we're at Bristow Park. We are looking directly southwest at a very pronounced rotating wall cloud. Looks like it's about 6 miles from us, heading roughly our direction right now.
Oh, is this dead? Can't see the picture right now.
Well, I turned it off, Where's Grace? Hello. Hello. Gladys. With
So here it is. It's wrapped up tight. So we do think that, again, this is probably a tornado. If it's not a tornado, it's awful close to it. If you're on 401st Street West, 401st West Avenue, and then Highway 16, it's right on you right now. You need to be in a place of safety right at this moment.
Yeah, it's a little powerful up in the inside. So, rid of my life more than reading.
Sure hope so. I was like, we should leave. I want to eat.
I rid of my life more.
Those are good burgers.
Oh, that's tail. That was tail. Okay. He probably ran away once he saw lightning strike by itself. If that is a tornado, that's a
Who are you
really
talking to? Is he also experiencing the weather?
No, not yet. This is the storm that's headed that direction.
So again, this is a tornado on the ground right now. And so this is going to be crossing Highway 16 just north of Bristow. So we have a big tornado showing up there right now.
There is a hook echo behind us. We'll stay up here just in case. See where the trees over there on the hill to the right of the line? That's where they're videoing from.
It's coming in.
Emergency vehicles
Wait.
down the street.
Oh, there's one. That's your mom. Oh, is that your mom? What?
Great yellow.
Hey everyone, thank you for watching if you've watched this far. I debated on even posting anything because I know so many lives were affected by the storm on March 6th, but we wanted to show how it was for us. I mean, you can just be outside grilling burgers, thinking you're just beating the rainstorm that's coming in, and the next thing you know, your phone is going off while you're stepping in with your burgers to go and eat dinner, and it's time to take shelter. And we had no idea, truly, how close it was. Living in Tornado Alley, I mean, we get warnings quite frequently, and so, you know, sometimes we decide let's take cover, and sometimes we don't, truthfully. Sometimes we're just standing outside watching the storm go by. And thank the Lord, we decided to take cover this day, and instead of standing outside and watch it go by. We truly had no idea how close it was. We thought it was a few miles out, and till the next day is when we got out and drove around and saw the damage that was literally in our backyard. This whole thing truly just gives you a total new appreciation of God allowing the technology that we have today to be able to track these storms and the people that He has given such bravery to be able to chase these storms, to detect them, to let us know when they're on the ground so we can take cover.
It was definitely ran from like this direction, and our house is back behind these houses right over here. And it crossed right behind.
Oh, maybe.
Oh wow. Oh man. And it went straight across through here. There's our house. And we can see now where the path is. Right there. Oh my gosh. So crazy. My goodness, we were so close. This is the house that we saw when we were driving by. We had no idea. But there's the house that got hit.
Hey, Mommy.
Oh my goodness. There's their barn behind the trees. And there's the house. Crazy. So crazy. You can see some debris on the top of the tower.